How to solve the word mathematics problems in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you don't need to sign up or log into your account. It will directly open up your camera. From here, you can scan the mathematics problem that you want to solve. If you want to solve the word problems using the PhotoMath app, first of all, prepare the question that you want to solve. For example, I have a bunch of mathematics word problems. Point the camera to that problem over here. Put that question in this frame, and you can capture the photo of it. And there you go. We'll come up with the solutions instantly. You can see the detailed step-by-step solution of it. You can tap on the show solving steps. It will provide you with the step-by-step solutions. If you want a further explanation of any steps, you can simply tap on it and it will give you the detailed breakdown of it. So that's it. That's how you can easily solve the mathematics word problem using the PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.